Blow it up. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I am here at Sen and Steve's house. Good old Sen and Steve.
Who the hell's Sen and Steve?
That guy right there.
Huh?
That guy right there is Sen and Steve with the Batman shirt on.
No, I'm Tom.
Okay, Tom. What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Well,
I'm SS717.
He's SS717. We got Street Speed 717 in the house right now.
In the hizzy for shizzy.
In the hizzy for sizzy right here, you know what I'm saying? Well, basically, you guys obviously know why I'm up here at Sen and Steve's, and that is...
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, 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 to pick up my new Honda! Yes!
Better stay away from that car.
Ah!
I just popped the bumper back in for your video.
Oh, did you? Oh, to make it look good. Make it look good, huh? Yeah. But yeah, so Steve got my truck done. It's running good, right?
She's ready, yeah.
She's ready to go?
The kids and I took it to a car show. I'm sorry, bud.
You took it to a car show?
Take it to a car
People
show.
looked at him weird.
People looked at us weird, and then...
They're like, look at Grandpa over here, cruising along.
My oldest was like, Dad, we're not getting out of this. Let's
What?
go get our truck. So I had to come home and take the old F450 out.
Had to come out and get that 450 out.
Look how clean she's looking.
She does look very, very clean from all those expeditions that we were involved in. Yeah. So
a little dusty from the it's that time of year, right?
You need
now,
to get.
but...
You know what you need to do? And get some black paint on that, dude.
That's what everybody keeps saying.
Yeah, because it looks so much better. Like I don't even care.
Character, like,
that's not character. No. Yeah, she's definitely looking good. We got the Bruce over here.
For the Bruce, for some reason the kid's bike is on that pallet. I really have no idea.
Some reason your truck's hitting the engine.
Thanks, Mike. That's how Mike dropped it off to me. So.
Oh, so he rammed into it.
Yeah.
He's like, "Fuck that 350." Yeah.
I don't think
you got fishing line and yarn like going all over the place here.
It's terrible.
This poor freaking thing. What are you doing?
I put the seats in it.
Ooh.
You want to see the seats in it?
Is there an engine and trans in it? Wow, dude. Wow.
It's supposed to rain, so I just tossed them.
Well, it's supposed to rain, but the sunroof's open, the driver's side window's open, and he's concerned about rain getting on his SI seats, but yet the windows don't go up on the car.
Hey, this is going to be running the next week or so, guys. Stay tuned.
Bullshit.
Absolutely, the next week or two.
I'm doing running standing bets, guys, that the Bruce will not run ever.
The Bruce is going to run.
The Bruce is not going to run.
You will see the Bruce running and driving before you see Grandpa Bet.
Oh.
Mark my words. Pow. Shots fired.
Oh my God! And then we definitely gotta go see what you did for GMC.
Oh,
so you guys remember the one video where we had the GMC and we're yanking cars out of the mud hole, vehicles out of the mud hole there.
My SI girl.
And yeah, it's SI girl there. Yeah, right there.
Girl,
so I guess you already
girl.
made your video, right?
I did. Yeah.
So go check out Sen and Steve. He just made a recent video on the GMC. And I guess what were you doing? You were jumping it, right?
Needless to say, I could be on my knees, and this would have flew over me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Usually do spend time on your knees. Oh,
got him! Ah, same.
Got him.
Well, this is the GMC, guys, right here. It does run and drive still. You know, that's like good to GM Power. You do this to a Ford, the engine would explode.
The engine would have fell out.
The engine would have fell out with the bed. This is terrible.
Fired right up.
Yeah, it has a little slight tap.
Now,
probably a broken exhaust bolt.
Now this model actually comes like that.
Oh, with the tap. Is this an SLE tapping edition?
This is the SLA. What is SLA?
It's an SLE. I just said it's SLE, man.
I was thinking SRS. I was thinking
it's
Toyota.
Not an SRS. This bed is
This
destroyed.
Is that model that comes with like the sunroof back window.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's heavily modded.
Very heavy. Fuck it, blow it up. If you're gonna do it, you might as well send it at this point. Let's drain the oil out of his seat.
No.
Unbelievable.
I've asked to buy this truck, guys. I will not sell this truck. I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, I don't think anybody would really be interested in buying this truck, Steve.
You honestly believe how many people DM me and were like, dude, I'll seriously buy that truck.
Oh my God, Steve.
So now, hopefully, that they see this video, they can see that I,
It's not even hitting the rev limiter, dude. It's just like, whap! That's all it's doing. That's all it's doing, man.
I wanted to like, bum, 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 bum,
I think you should flatbed this sucker.
I think this drivetrain is going to come out and go into another project that we have lying around.
Which project?
Ooh!
Oh my God!
Tuned if you want to know.
Oops! I didn't mean to give out. I gave out the secrets. Maybe it's going in the GTA. Who knows?
No, we have that.
It's now a GTA build. Well, it's
Yeah.
gonna be a 4-wheel drive GTA Trans Am, guys.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna actually take the GTA shell off.
And we're gonna put it on a
the-
4-wheel drive body. God, people would hate
Guys,
you
I would
forever.
literally never do that. The
People
Civic
would
is about
literally,
as far as I'll go.
they would literally come here and stab you in your face. What?
That's what it's gonna be.
What?
I already gave you the secret. I didn't really tell you, but I'm not gonna tell the world.
It's going in the boat. Now get the fuck out of here. You ain't doing that.
Stay tuned.
Get out of here, you backyard mechanic.
Why'd I grab the key?
I don't know. Why did you? All right, well, let's go down here. Let's start up the truck. Let's take a look. Make sure Steve did a proper job. Because, you know, got an inspector's work and everything. Wow, Steve. Wow. Obviously, Steve's living. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Steve's living his life. All right, let's start. Man, that's one hell of a little sliding thing. Yeah, I wouldn't slide down it, but. All right, let's pop the hood, start the truck up. See what she sounds like? I'm super, super excited, guys. Did you? Oh, it's got power, man. Ugh. Oh, God, I've missed Big Bertha. You don't even know. Ugh. Woo! She always has sounded good, guys. Always has sounded good. Pop the hood. Get the window down. Oh, yeah. I did miss my truck, buddy. What the hell are you doing? I did miss my truck. I miss my truck so much. Oh, let's see. Let's see here. Let's see, make sure Steve put everything back where it belongs. Yep. Hey, the alternator and AC condenser is backwards, buddy. What'd you say?
It's gonna run a little bit colder now because now the alternator has a little bit less volts.
Oh,
So the
okay. Is that a Duramax horsepower mod?
Yes, absolutely.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
You're gonna find out that this old girl let them rip.
So it'll definitely really smoke the F450, like double what it did before.
It did let her rip. Where the hell are the marks from?
What marks?
I think when I backed it in the driveway, like.
Oh, right here.
Oh, right there.
What? Well, are you doing burnouts in it?
Yeah.
It does do burnouts, man. This thing will smoke them rear tires. Look at that hole. Why didn't you fix that for me while you were at it?
I don't know if you can tell by the driveway now. We got a bunch of projects
We got a
gotta
little
get done.
thing. Oh my God, this poor thing. This poor thing. Oh, you poor baby. Don't worry, baby. We love you still.
That's just a spider web.
I know it.
Just a spider web.
Well, thank you, Steve.
No problem.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm very happy to have my truck back.
I'm happy to have 2 parking spots back.
I know, right? I appreciate it, buddy. I really do. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I do appreciate it.
No problem.
Well, I'm gonna take this thing on the road. I'm gonna see how she drives.
If it
And
breaks-
what's the warranty on this again?
About where them people are right there. So what it makes it there, you're good.
All right, cool. All right.
So I'd probably leave it here until you really need it.
Taillight warranty. Nice, nice.
Yep.
When the taillights disappear in the dark, that's it. All done.
That's it.
All done.
Well, if you guys like the content, go ahead and
Oh my
smash
God, shut
that
up.
like button. Please subscribe.
Oh yeah, 30 pounds of boost. Here we go.
I didn't see 30, but it's seen a couple pounds. We gotta put this back in. Oh, no,
No, that's the way it sits in there. Yeah, it's always just kind of flip-flopped in there. Yep, that's just the way it is. She's a good old girl. She's a good old girl.
Good old girl.
500 half a miles.
Always meaning no good.
Okay, let's get driving, guys. Let's get driving. All right, guys, it is the next day. I ended up leaving Steve's a little late, so it was dark out. I didn't want to make a driving video basically in the dark because that would make no sense because of the fact that you guys will not be able to see anything. But on the way home from Harrisburg last night, getting my good old Dirty Max here, everything worked great. She drove great. No low coolant light came on. The engine temperature stayed exactly where it needed to be. Even the trans temperature was doing extremely well. So I am 100% satisfied, 100% happy to have my truck back on the road here. You know, just in case I needed to haul something or do something. I'm very thankful for Steve for helping me out and getting this job done for me. Just because of the fact that I have so much going on at the shop, and I know there's been a lot of comments on YouTube, on his and mine, about me being a mechanic and not working on my own shit. Well, you know, unfortunately sometimes when you have other stuff to do that's going to make the shop money, and working on your truck honestly just doesn't make you money. Fortunately, when you have friends like Steve that will go out of his way and say, listen man, I know you're busy, I know you have a lot on your plate right now, I want to help you out, I want to get this job done for you because I know you need your truck and I know you like your truck. And there he was. He did it for me. I'm very, very thankful for that. He's a good guy, a good friend. I really appreciate the fact that he was able to help me out when I was in a little bit of a bind with my truck like he did. But yeah, you know, that was the main reason. I have a lot of stuff at the shop to do. That's more important than my truck. I do have my Honda that I was driving around for a while, so it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't like I was out of a vehicle or anything. But like I said, guys, I am very, very thankful for Steve for helping me out. End of the video. Truck's doing good. We're going to do some exciting things. Maybe we'll jump it. Maybe we'll go mud and we'll show Steve how to really do it. I don't know. It's hard to say. But we're going to end this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook's also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.